We got a good one. Question. I removed my ride reverse bucket on my GP1800R and 5 out of 6 bolts broke off with a half-inch ratchet or quarter-inch ratchet. Has anyone else noticed these weak bolts before? All right. First, did you use an impact?
Well, no, he says a 1/4 inch ratchet, so he did not use an impact.
Well,
But I've never taken a ride reverse bucket off, but I have taken a reverse bucket off of FZs before, and they're definitely not the strongest bolts. I've broke a couple of them. You definitely need to be careful with them. They're fragile.
yeah.
Maybe
Yeah.
use a little heat to get them off. Obviously,
Oh, yeah.
not
Yeah.
too much because it's the reverse bucket. It's plastic fittings, but
Right.
they got Loctite on there. A little heat might help break them loose.
Yeah. 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 Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.